Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram, and in today's video I will be showing you how I do makeup on my dry skin. Now doing makeup on dry skin can be tricky because your makeup might turn out very patchy or very flaky looking, and for that I have some tips on how I go step by step into my skin. This is what makeup I have created, and you can see the glow on my skin. My skin just doesn't feel dehydrated or dry at all right now, but that's not the thing. My skin is really very dry, but the products and the steps that I have used makes it so glowy looking. So let's see step by step what I do and how I do. Also, I'll leave all the product links in the description so you can go check them out. And now without any further ado, let's get started.
We first begin with the moisturizer. I'm using oil-free moisturizer here. You can use any of your choice, and then I'll apply it all over my face and neck. Right after that, you can apply sunscreen if you're doing your makeup for the daytime, followed by a primer. Now I'm using the Mars primer here. It gives a beautiful glowy touch to your skin. As you can see, the base is very glowy. Next, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'll use the concealer on the corner of my eyes and on dark spots wherever I have few. I will then like to nicely dab and press the concealer into my skin wherever I've applied it. This method helps to keep the concealer in place and it doesn't make it low coverage. Next, I apply the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation with a brush. This Kabuki brush is by Sugar, and I like to dab in all the foundation into my skin. Don't rub the brush all over your face, but just dab the foundation into your skin. This method basically keeps the foundation in place and gives you a better coverage when you apply it that way. Also, you can see my face already looks very glowy because of the base. Next, I'm using the Cheek Stain by Matte Look in the shade Paradise. All the links are in the description. You can see this is a very beautiful coral shade for your cheeks. I love using it for my daily looks as well. It's also a dupe of Rare Beauty blush. And now I will be applying some highlighter. For that, I use the Pilgrim's highlighter. It's the illuminating moisturizer that I'm using as a highlighter here. So it's not actually a highlighter but a illuminating moisturizer. Next, I apply the Sugar's translucent powder just to put all the makeup in place. This keeps the makeup in place for the longest time ever. I really love using this one, and I'm really using it for the longest time. Next, I use the Swiss Beauty lip liner and I line my lips. Then moving forward with the Mars Bullet lipstick. This is very affordable, and the shade Ariel Auve is the best. I really love it for my everyday shades. Next, I apply the Elf Cosmetics lip lacquer just to give that glossy look only on the center of my lips to give it a beautiful highlight. As you can see, not all over the lips but in the center only, and this is the finished look. You can see how pretty it looks. The base makeup gave it a nice glowy finish, and this is how I like my makeup to look on my everyday basis.
So that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this look that I've created. Also, all the products I've tried to keep them really very affordable. Only some might be a little bit pricey, but most of the products are below 500 rupees, so it's more on easier side to your pocket. So I always keep this in mind to keep the affordability in mind. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.